numbers and absolute values equal signs everywhere, guess what's gonna happen next? Yeah, you're gonna have inequalities, fish mouths now, fish mouth, and that's it. 2 more questions. And a new toolbar. This toolbar going into the trash can because it was for equalities. You need a new toolbar. Here you go. Here is the one. This is what we are going to use everywhere, even this one. So I'm going to copy it here. Okay. Let's see, read what it says. It says if you have absolute value on the left, fish mouth looking to right, and a positive number on the right side, then you are going to turn this into a double-sided inequality. You see no more absolute value around you. This is how you expand out the absolute value. And if the fish mouth is looking to left, again the direction is on the difference. If the direction switches, then you have 2 separate fish mouths with the connector OR in the middle. Okay? Now, let's do this. Well, it's actually nothing different here. It's actually, isn't this coming out as minus u or positive u? So you once take this with positive u and it becomes u less than k, positive u less than k, and then minus u less than k, and then I multiply both sides with negative, and this turn into positive and this turn into negative, and this is greater than symbol. So u is greater than minus k and u is less than k. You combine these inequalities into single. So this is the story behind this toolbar. It's not different than what it says here. It's applying this table to make a new table. So we just use inequalities efficiently, combining them into one, and this turns into stays at 2 separate inequalities with connector OR. All you need to do is pay attention the direction of the fish mouth. Now, I don't know why part A is here, because this has nothing to do with this section, right? Y equals 5, absolute value equals 5. How are you going to solve this? That's it. You're done. This part A belongs to this section. If it's positive, you break it apart in 2 forms, 5 and negative 5, correct? So part A was easy. But this one, it's still equality. Here we go. The solution set is, I think it means part A. It doesn't say part, oh no, it says part A. Look, A. Okay. It's 5 and negative 5. That's all story. Solution set of part B is, now we are going to employ this one. Check which side you have. Less. So I'm going to use this. It says put k, which is 5, to both sides and the letter in the middle, but the side on the left will have a negative. So I copy 5 into left and right, once with a negative, once with a positive, y in the middle. That's it. Alright? So y is between negative 5 and 5. This is how you expand this absolute value. Alright. For this one, it says write the solution set in interval notation. This is easy to miss. It says in interval notation on the top, so we need to turn this into interval notation. How can I write the numbers more than minus 5, less than 5? If you want to plot, this is the region. More than minus 5, less than 5 is this region. How can you write this in interval notation? Where does it start? You read from the left. You start here, and when you keep going, you stop at there. So it's between -5 and 5. Parentheses or brackets? Parentheses, because these have no equalities. No equalities, only strict fish mouths. So I will go ahead and say the solution set is -5 to 5. Check. Part 3. This time the fish mouth is looking to the left. That means I'm going to employ this one. It says y, we start with y, and then less than, and then minus k. This is k, so you're taking negative of it, -5. Or, don't miss this, or matters, or y is greater than k. Again, what is k? 5. This is it. Well, no, you need to turn this region, plot, and turn it into interval notation. Okay? Now how do I make this? First, sketch y less than -5. Where is -5? Somewhere here. Less than -5 is to the left of it, this side. Correct? All the numbers less than -5 are stacked in here. Where are the numbers more than 5? Here is 5. Oh my god, they are separate. They are separated, right? There's a gap. So this is combination of union of, this means union, two sets, blue, not blue, red and green. So I need to combine two intervals. First, find the interval notation for this one. How do you write this? Remember, when you're writing interval notations, you need to read from left to right. Where do you start on the left side? What is this moment? Negative infinity. Where do you stop? -5. Included, excluded? Excluded, because no equality. What is this green one? From left to right, I hit first 5. So you start with 5. Where do you end? Alright, there are two separate intervals. How do I enter them here? Does it understand this? No. Yeah, very good. I was gonna come that. So again, there are two intervals. You cannot put them side by side like this. You need to say the computer that unite them. This way, it's kind of split apart like this. You need to say the